this is not a quiz, but no, you don't have to give the right answer here. But I made some pictures from how this square was before, and this was in the 19th century, in 1871. We're looking now that side. You recognize the building behind? You see there was trees.
Wow,
and it was old. It's old and it's open. You see all the people gather for the picture. And then this is beginning of the 20th century.
Okay.
You see? This comes trees.
Yeah.
But you see the trees now, they renewed it because long time we didn't have trees. So you see,
Better.
It's better, huh?
No way,
Yeah. So they brought it a bit from the old feeling, they brought it back. Because later...
Oh, it's horrible.
What do you think of this?
I don't like it. I prefer the place for the people to doing something, not for the cars.
Yeah, stupid, huh?
I prefer bicycles.
Yeah.
I like very much your way of
Everybody
life.
cycling, yeah. This is in 1978. So do you know, have that in Spain, that there is squares but just cars?
Yeah, bueno, in this time, in this year, in Spain, we have a very difficult situation because Franco was recently died and the democracy was starting, and it's always a little bit crazy.
Yeah.
But I remember the photographs with the car.
Yeah. So your reference is Franco when you see. That's funny. Yeah. Yeah. But for us, it's like, yes, in the year 60s, 70s, cars were new. People were happy to have cars. Let's put them on the square.
The new dream, no?
Yeah, the new dream. You're right. Then you see here.
It's very nice. The people is the shopping and communicating.
Yeah. You see, it's a meeting point.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see it's all. This here is new, totally new.
Totally new.
They built it before here, because this is still here, but it's behind.
Okay.
You see? Funny, huh?
Wow.
Yeah. What do you think of that?
I think it's very impressive of the square. I very like because the buildings has three floors only, 3-4 floors. It's not very big. I like it very much.
I like that it's not too high. Good. Well, this was in 85. And here you see the square that everybody hated here. You see it's empty. This is there. This is our new museum. It's totally new. It wasn't there. It wasn't there, Flavia.
Congratulations.
No, because this is where the museum came, and this was behind it.
I see.
It's over there.
Okay.
So
It's here.
yeah. So this was huge and empty, and nobody wants to walk here because it was so. Yeah, it was not nice to go here. You felt
alone.
You feel alone. And now?
Now you feel in a group.
It's better, huh?
It's better.
Yeah. This is silly. And then, you can see, it's more or less the same time. This is the Justice Building again. Some people walking. And under were the cars, like now.
It's better.
Better. Yeah. And here you see the miracle.
Wow. How many times did you are working in this square?
I thought it was about 3 years.
Only?
Yes. Yeah?
Only?
Yeah?
Oh,
You think it's quick?
It's very impressive. I think.
Yeah?
Yes. It's not usual in our country.
Yeah?
We have
It takes longer.
Yeah. We are waiting for a train to the little village in Asturias.
Yeah.
We are waiting yet for it. And because the politicians told, it takes a long time, we don't have money. I don't know the reason, but we need a train and we don't have it. So and here all the plays in only 3 years are removed.
You think it's, well,
I think, yeah.
well, Leeuwarden, that's a compliment.
No, I like very much the result.
Yeah. But we had a very strong point. I tell it very short. There was an architect from here, from Friesland. He made a lot of money. His name was Bonnema, and he died. And he left millions and millions of money to this city to build the museum.
Oh, wow.
So we had to do it, but it cost more than twice or 3 times the plan. So everybody kept on adding money because he donated the money.
Wow.
The whole city voted for this plan. Do you like the plan or not? And people didn't like it. No. And I have to be honest, I didn't like it too. But now I see it. We're glad we have it. So you make, yeah, it changes in your mind. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that was the Zeiland. And this is your stage. Yay. It's not Lorient.
No, but it's very beautiful and big. I like very much this stage.
And you are late in the evening to play.
Yeah, 9:30.
It's a good time.